gives the power to that car. Okay. Every rocket, just like humans, the humans have the saying, भूखे पेट कोई फौज आगे नहीं बढ़ती. Okay. Right? You cannot move ahead without a solid force propelling you to complete your work. Similarly, a rocket cannot get energy enough to get to space without a proper engine. Okay. Every rocket needs to have an engine that takes it to space. Now I talked about these satellites. It is because of its shape. Okay. Have you all seen that toy car motor? Have you seen a toy car motor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Looks cylindrical in shape, right? So see, this thing is, okay, chemical rockets are divided in 3 categories according to the state of matter. First is solid rocket motor. Okay, we recently saw India carried out a nuclear test. Okay, Agni 5 premium, we tested it.
Yes.
And it had this solid rocket motor. Now the thing is, I talked about state of matter. Okay. Now we need 3 things to start a fire. Which are they? Which 3 things do we need to start a fire? First is oxygen, second is fuel, and third is a ignition source or a fire. Okay. Now in space, there is no oxygen. Okay. So you need to carry your own oxygen. Okay. Now you tell me, Vishal, you are mad for telling me that oxygen is solid. It is in gaseous form. You are right. It is in gaseous form. But there are several chemicals. When you heat them, they give out oxygen. You might study about chemistry, okay? So you might, which standard are you all in?
5.
Okay. So you might have read about photosynthesis, where plant
Yes, sir.
takes
Yes, sir.
and then gives out. Sorry for this disturbance. So you might have studied that plant takes in CO2 and then gives out oxygen. Okay. This is RS-25 engine. Okay.
Sir, we cannot see much power.
Okay. Hold on. There is no voice in it. Okay. It is just this video. Okay, there is
Not too much power.
the rocket is dancing.
Dancing. But sir, he's really dancing.
What?
It is in fire.
Yes. And now can you see all this white thing on, when it is running, can you see all this white thing on it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No lies.
Sir.
See, there is a fire of 3000 degrees Celsius inside. And there is ice on outside. How is it possible? It is because this rocket engine uses liquid hydrogen.
Sir, please tell me what says that degree Celsius, how many I don't hear.
It is 3000 degrees Celsius. Hello?
Yes, sir. Very much hot. Hello.
It is
Yes.
really
Too
hot.
much power also.
See, you can see from beginning when it starts, malfunctioning engine. For example, if you are sick, then what you do is you tell your friend to put your, presence in class. When your teacher asks for your name, your friend will raise your hand raise hands on your behalf. So what happens is you use your rocket engine to stabilize it, to keep it in one particular direction. So yes, I talked about the engine moving. This part is attached with rocket. See, like this. This is the rocket. Here is the gimbal block, and then beneath it is the rocket engine. So with that, I complete this seminar. I just want to give you this resource. You can take the screenshot if you want to learn more about rockets. And I would like to show you. So when you start your showers, you might have seen that there are a lot of tiny holes that throws water at high speed compared to our taps. Our taps are comparatively slow. What?
Sir, what is this? I joined late now. I don't know what is this. Please tell this machine name, sir.
Okay, this particular thing is called a rocket engine, and this part with all tubes in that, standing tubes, a lot of them. It is called an injector plate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is simply like a shower. Now our shower have a lot of holes from where water coming out of the way. So yes, it is the most important part of a rocket engine.
Sir, you know what is the full speed of the rocket?
Yes, 27,000 km/h. I mean, it starts from zero. It starts accelerating from zero to that speed. Okay, it just takes 3 minutes to reach from Earth surface to space. It is way less than how time you take to reach school. Now, if you want to be punctual, then you should buy a rocket. You can, just climb on your rocket and go to your school within a few seconds.
Good afternoon, all my respected teachers. I am Ortrai Borat from class 5 TIGPS Midnapur. Very recently, I was a part of the space seminar. I want to give thanks to my principal ma'am and the IDYMC Foundation for giving such a golden opportunity. I learned a lot about space shuttles, rockets, satellites, etc. Thank you.